We don't know what the next battlefield will look like, and hopefully we will never see what the next battlefield looks like.
But Tiltrotor provides the ground force commander many more tactical options than he had previously.
What this technology does in the Joint All-Domain Operation construct, it increases decision-making time for the maneuver force commander. It gives that commander options to reposition forces very quickly. And anytime you give any maneuver force more capability, you make them more lethal.
The way we execute long-range assault missions or air assault missions today, usually we're a flight of 8, a flight of 10, we're moving echelon right, we're moving echelon left. In a staggered formation with a tilt rotor, ranges and speeds, you're going to be able to operate completely differently. The idea is not to move the formation in one mass. The idea is to mass the combat power on the objective from different approaches and different routes. With the threat systems that are out there today, that's what we want to try to capitalize on. So the ground force commander has the ability to put his basic fighting unit in an aircraft, have them take different routes at a higher rate of speed, whether it be out over water or extended distances. In Vietnam, we refer to it as vertical envelopment. So, envelopment is certainly the preferred maneuver method. But the idea is the tilt rotor allows you to move in a dispersed environment, but mass your combat power on the objective and mass it there rapidly.
In the construct of great power competition, or the constant state of competition, if you can't deter, then you need to have options to react. In the tactical sense, it allows that commander or the aviation force to show that they have the capability to react. And if you're speaking of, say, where there are vast expanses, this kind of capability, even if we never have to use it, demonstrates that we have the ability to go there and react to competition. I think that's what's most important about it. And the disruptive capability of a tilt rotor is one of those things that will allow that.
When speed and range make a difference, you've got to come to a tilt rotor. If you want heavy metal on target at distance, you've got to come to Bell for that tilt rotor solution.